About 19,000 lane miles are resurfaced with a seal coat every year as part of TxDOT's maintenance program. Over the last 40 years, seal coats have not changed much. However, new technologies like the mobile LiDAR system could reduce seal coat maintenance problems, specifically rock loss, flushing, and bleeding.
Now more than ever before, we have an issue in TxDOT of having a lot of less experienced employees. And with this lack of experience in our workforce, they're having problems going out and selecting and adjusting asphalt rates for our seal coat application.
The things that affect the seal coat on the existing pavement are the hardness of the pavement, the absorption properties of the pavement, and the texture. The LiDAR, what it does is measure these different properties that are on the road. Because it's running a laser, it can't measure hardness or absorption, but it can give us some information that mimics what we see with our eye.
We have found out that by using this LiDAR, it can help us make more fine-tuned adjustments. It gets down on a more finite level. It's not just the difference between flushing and not flushing, it's the degree of flushing, it's the degree of bleeding, which may mean the difference between 100 to 200 in adjustment. We can take this and we can make an automated system that our inspectors can have on their laptop, and they can use that, and it will give them an answer.
We're looking at different test methods to go out and measure these pavement properties. The LiDAR gave us an interpretation based on our compared to what we saw visually. Now we're doing hard measurements. We're going to look at some different methods to measure hardness and absorption.
We're one of the best states in this country in the seal coat industry. We not only want to be a leader in this country, we want to be a leader worldwide. My goal at TxDOT, and is one of the leaders of our seal coat program in the state of Texas, is not to be good, it's to be the best. And that's what research does for us.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.